Okay, guys, we are about to unbox our Endless Mountain Learning Center spring box. So we have actually, you excited? We shared an unboxing before with this amazing company, and I can't wait to show you what's in the spring one. Are you ready, honey?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open. So we just unboxed everything, and you can just see how many fun and amazing projects we have. We are about to get started, but the caterpillars, you are loving those. So I just wanted to give you guys, again, just a really quick peek here to kind of go over and explain. This is a wonderful, wonderful program. The Endless Mountain Learning Center really focuses on kids and their learning development, and you can practice this at home together. And I really love that they have this curriculum guide. This is their spring edition. So inside, it gives a little bit about the company, but what I really appreciate is we have projects in here. As you can see, there's a ton of kits. It is packed with so many things, but we have like building a birdhouse. You know, it's not just about the fun craft. It actually goes over the process, questions to ask. So what are we going to build? How many pieces do we have to work with? So there's wonderful talking points that engage your child and get them practicing and playing with you. But we are going to go ahead and get started. I don't think she can wait anymore. She's been so patient and she's so excited to do this again. Yeah, I know you want to paint. Okay, well, I think we should get started. Are you ready to play?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. What butterflies do you see?
One, two, three, four.
Hey, Madison, what colors do you have?
Green,
Uh-huh.
yellow, pink.
And pink? Ooh, and I love your little caterpillars. They're so cute. What a fun way to play. What are you going to build?
I'm building with elevators got when they're sleeping.
Oh, like a house?
Yeah.
That's so nice.
It's-
What does the Play-Doh feel like? What's it
Sounds
feel?
It smells good.
It does smell. What's it feel like? Is it hard?
No,
No. Is it?
it's soft.
It's soft? Ooh. Does it feel good? Is it cold? Is it a little cold? no.
Oh yeah.
You're concentrating. This looks so fun.
They're both in the garden. And measure the squishy worms.
After that one, now we're gonna make this one right here, huh?
Over here. P.
Ooh, that's a good one. Okay, put it on the block. Oh, good one. Now make the P. So you make a line up and down. Good, and a small little loop at the top. Good job! That's a great bee! We are doing our bug moves from our Bug Moves book, and we just buzzed like a bee. Are you ready for the next one? Okay, so this one, you are going to flutter like a butterfly. You're gonna stand with your arms stretched out to your sides. Ooh! And then you're going to flap your arms up and down and fly like a butterfly. Okay, are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, now we are going to hop like a grasshopper. You're gonna stand up nice and tall with both feet together. Both feet together. And hands at your sides. Put your hands at your sides. Okay, now bend your knees and hop forward as high as you can. Are you ready for our next one?
Yeah.
Okay, we are going to spin like a spider. So here's what we do. Stand up nice and tall. Now stretch your arms out to your sides. Oh, and now spin around in circles. Spin, spin, spin. Good job. Spin, spin,